Welcome to the demo of the 25B feature. Implement a temporary Kanban card for short-term demand surge in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. Due to seasonal demand spikes for certain items, material replenishment may be needed on a temporary basis instead of a recurring basis driven by the consumption rate. The materials manager will need to generate one or more temporary Kanban cards, so that materials are replenished to meet a one-time demand instead of an ongoing basis. Temporary Kanban cards can be generated for a fixed number of replenishments or for a date range of activity. Now, let's walk through a short demo of this feature. First, we will launch the pull sequence summary page. Next, we will select and open a pull sequence. We will generate a temporary Kanban card with maximum replenishment count. We will also update the size of this temporary Kanban card. Next, we will generate another temporary Kanban card with a cancellation date. Finally, we will see how the cards get cancelled at next replenishment when they cross the maximum replenishments or the cancellation date. With this, let's get into the demo. Log into the application as a warehouse manager. Navigate as supply chain execution followed by inventory management. Click panel drawer icon to see the task menu. In the task menu, click Pull Sequences under Kanban. The pull sequence summary page is displayed. Click on the required pull sequence row. The pull sequence and Kanban cards are displayed. Click on the Actions menu and then click Create Temporary Card to generate a temporary Kanban card. The new temporary Kanban card page is displayed. You can either input maximum replenishments or the cancellation date. By default, the maximum replenishments value is 1. You can update the value or you can choose to enter a cancellation date. If you enter a value for maximum replenishment or accept the default value, the card will be cancelled after this many replenishments. If you enter a value for cancellation date, the card will be cancelled at the next replenishment after this date. You can optionally update the size of the Kanban card. The maximum replenishment is 5 and the Kanban card size is updated to 8. Click Create to create the temporary Kanban card. The temporary Kanban card is created. A toast message is displayed. The card is added to the list of Kanban cards. An icon is displayed in the column Temporary to identify it as a temporary Kanban card. The column Maximum Replenishments is populated with the entered value. The Kanban size for this card is displayed as 8. Now let us create another temporary card with cancellation date. Click Create Temporary Card in the Actions menu. In the new temporary Kanban card page, enter cancellation date. Click Create. The temporary Kanban card is created. A toast message is displayed. The card is added to the list of Kanban cards. An icon is displayed in the column Temporary to identify it as a temporary Kanban card. The column Cancellation date is populated with the entered value. Now let us see how the temporary cards get cancelled automatically on crossing the maximum number of replenishments or the cancellation date. The first card was previously replenished 5 times, which is the maximum replenishment count of the card, and the second Kanban card already crossed the cancellation date. They should get cancelled on next replenishment. Let us replenish the first Kanban card. The card is cancelled on replenishment as it has crossed the maximum replenishment count. Now let us see how the temporary cards get cancelled automatically on crossing the cancellation date. The second card has crossed the cancellation date. Replenish the card. The card is cancelled on replenishment as it has crossed the cancellation date. You can view these Kanban cards in the cancelled status. This completes the demo for the feature Implement a temporary Kanban card for short-term demand surge.